Hey guys, I am back with another video. Return for the car. Oh my god. I'm gonna think I'm recording. Okay, so let's just do this effectively. We are doing Return Phantom's card where you can get good red and up to like what 1,050 gems, which you get 50. 50, 400, so leave the 50 a minute, 400, 100 or 200 is 300, 400, and then 600. Okay, we'll add it. Now that was close. Let's add this member if I accept. Oof, I'm a cat. This phantoms and they're gonna get me. I'm scared. I'm scared. Oh, cool. We're... Run. Okay, good. Sorry about that, guys. Ooh. Ooh. We're gonna get all the cards. We'll do it all. Anyway, let's put this cookie. Sorry about that. Come on. You can do it. Run, Forrest, run! Okay. Guys, just so you know, never pick rares over friends. Rares are just pixels, whereas friends, they're real human beings with feelings. I literally... I always say that! Oof, I'm almost halfway through level 11. Good job! I don't want the funny cake, guys. I'm gonna cut the part out where I do all the plants. Wait. We'll do the chest and then I'll cut out the plants. So 100, add 200, it's 300. Add 400, so 400, 500, 600, 700. So 100 or 200 is 300. Add 400, so 400 and 300 is 5, 6, 7, 700. 800, 900, and then obviously you get the 50, and then you get 100 there, so you get 1,150. So that's good. I'm gonna cut the part out because I know it's gonna take ages. So, hold on. Okay, so I can see how to roll passageway, and we got Black Angel wings! I haven't actually seen them. Ooh, that's actually quite good. I'm gonna take a sip out of my cup of tea. Also, next week, you won't be getting any videos from me whatsoever. I'm locking my account. And also Plantatious' account. Because Plantatious is my friend and she's going on holiday. But obviously, you know, I linked it with my Gmail, and she barely goes on an AJ. She barely goes on AJ. Sorry about that, I have a really big cold. Oh jeez. No! I've got this song. Kiki, do you love me? Say you're riding. I've got it. Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you're never ever leaving. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams, a million dreams. Oh god, there's a fun one there! Oof, it's a potato. Oh my god, I remember like it when you don't have rechat, you had to say jacket, Snowball, Daisy, Olive and jacket, and oops, accidentally moved that here. Bitch! My French! Guys, my French there, I'm so sorry. No. No. Okay, let's put this phantom back down here. It's okay, I've done it before, but you know. Even next. Oh. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed Return of the Phantom Slot, and I will see you next episode. Bye! I mean video. And if you want mail time, gift me. Because I like the saucy mail time, so feel free to bully me. And my den is officially unlocked for everyone to go to. Peace out, y'all. I mean, bye. Oh, what am I saying? Bye, guys. Me and Rudolph say bye. See, she said bye. In reindeer language. See? Language? God, I am so confused in these days. Anyway, bye, guys.